How to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you step by step how to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal. So after you open up your Payoneer app like this, now go ahead and tap on this menu at the top left side. Go ahead and tap on this menu. So after you tap on this menu, from there you scroll to down and tap on this your banks, this one. So from this option now, all you have to do, go ahead and tap on this plus button to add in the bank, your PayPal account details. So if you tap on this option now, it will ask you now to add in the PayPal account details. After you add in your PayPal account details, now go back. So after you finish adding the bank, all you have to do now, go back to the home. So in the home now, go to these actions. If you come to this action now, here it says withdraw to bank, select it. So from this withdraw to bank, now it will ask you to select the currency you want to withdraw. Select USD. So from this USD, from there now because I don't have any funds in my withdrawal, that's why it just give me this red flag. So from this option now, if you have any money in your PayPal account, in your Payoneer account, from there just select the USD from this option and select this one. In the second option, it will ask you to confirm the account details, and in the third option, it will ask you now to add the amount you want to withdraw, and in the last option it will ask you to confirm verification code on your Payoneer app. From there the money will be sent into your PayPal account from the Payoneer. That's it guys on how to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.